Hi, my name is Matt Ransom, the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for MediaVision. Welcome to InfoComm 2017 here in Orlando in booth 6075. We hope if you're still at the show, you'll stop by and see our products in person. We're going to talk about some of the products we have here on display, and I first want to start with the A1016 Media Server. The A1016 streaming device is the world's first 16 embedded channels of audio over Dante on a single video stream. So this will really dramatically cut down on the number of video servers and data streams your clients need for multiple language streaming applications. Not just great for large clients, but houses of worship and universities for higher learning as well. So a lot of options with this product. The next product we're going to talk about today is MediaVision's entry into the assistive listening category. The assistive listening product from MediaVision offers an 80 dB signal-to-noise ratio with 57 programmable channels. The 57 programmable channels fall in the traditional ADA spectrum protected by the FCC of 72 to 76 megahertz. The unit is really designed to be end-user friendly with a couple of really cool key features. One is that it allows us to easily swap between alkaline and nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. So the rechargeable battery solution allows us to really easily swap, so you'll never have a system that doesn't function for your end customer. Additionally, the unit turns itself off after a few moments when the receiver is powered down, meaning if one of these gets stuck in a seat cushion or left on a ledge, when you find it the next morning, you'll never be without an assistive listening system for your next set of users. The unit also offers on our stationary transmitter a Dante-enabled component. One of the features we're going to talk about in all of our products that MediaVision and Tiden bring to the market is Dante enablement. All of our solutions do have a Dante component to it, and we'd love to talk to you about how that can fit into your project. The next product that we want to talk about today is an award-winning product, actually here at InfoComm 2017. It was awarded the Rental and Staging Digital Signage Conference Award. It is our e-ink nameplate. It's the HCS 1081, and this is powered over a wireless access point. And one of the cool things here, it's not plugged into anything. There's actually no power running through it. It's bistable, meaning that once we put this image display on the screen, it will stay there until we ask it to change. It works over a wireless access point, and this is great for all sorts of high-level executive meetings or conferences where you're having people come in and out. You can easily change the nameplates, save money on printing, save time on changing them out, and make it a much more both economic and eco-friendly solution. So we'll move over to the other half of our booth, and we'll take a look at the product that we've all been talking about over the course of InfoComm, which is the brand new 14-inch capacitive touchscreen product. Okay. This is the brand new Tiden Multimedia Terminal. Tiden's brand new multimedia terminal is the third generation product. It came out earlier this year at ISC, and it offers several key upgrades over the traditional product line. First is a larger screen. We can see the original version here, the G2, had a 10-inch screen. This offers a 14-inch capacitive touchscreen. One of the other major key upgrades was the form factor reduction. Went from a larger A-frame to a 6mm thin touchscreen. So really a dramatic reduction in the footprint, which gives us a more aesthetically pleasing product to be able to integrate in boardrooms and spaces across the country. Some of the cool features of this particular product, if you're not familiar with our multimedia terminals, is it allows us to have 3 different kinds of meetings. It allows us to have a user-led meeting where each individual user can access the paperless content, which is preloaded into a file server, and lead their own meeting. So if you're reviewing a Q3 business plan that's a Word document, each individual user can sit at that terminal and read the document at their own pace discreetly. No more printing out 20 or 30 copies of a 30-page document and hoping people don't lose them, and no more sending people emails and trying to read on their cell phones. Really the right way to be able to distribute content in the meeting. We also have the ability to have pushed content out. So we have the ability to take content from an encoder and deliver it forcibly to each screen, meaning that the only thing a user can do on this screen is watch the presentation that's being displayed. And finally, we have the ability to share our screens to each of the individual terminals, meaning a participant can come into the meeting with an SD card, load their presentation or content up to their screen natively, and then be able to share it with all the other users, all while maintaining, the meeting manager maintains control of the individual meeting. So 3 different ways we can do meetings. One of the other new features on the brand new terminal is annotation. And what the annotation allows us to do is when we're reviewing one of those documents that's been preloaded onto the terminal using the file server, we have the ability to mark that up, highlight, and make all sorts of corrections to that document. We'll take a look of how that would look. Once I load the document, I can press the annotation, and you can see I can very easily make corrections and updates on that, and then I'm able to share that with other participants sitting in the meeting. So really a cool tool to be able to do collaboration. I can forcibly display content from a presenter, I can review content at my own pace, or I can share content with my other users. So 3 different types of meetings can be held with this particular system, making it really one of the most flexible and usable conferencing systems, in addition to solving line of sight problems. Any space that has great distances to screens or screen mounting becomes a challenge, this product helps to solve that. So that's what we have here at InfoComm 2017. We're excited, hope you come by. Love to take you over to the Tiden booth in person and show you some of the new cool products there as well. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great show.